Hi, my name is Connor Holm, and this is my Congressional App Challenge.
What is the COVID-19 Information Provider? The COVID-19 Information Provider is a multi-platform application used to give reliable and valid data about COVID-19 to anyone seeking it.
The project has an algorithm I made to calculate the current risk of COVID-19 within your local county. It also contains the number of cases for Hennepin County, Minnesota, the United States, and the world. The COVID-19 Information Provider also contains information about preventing and spreading the virus as well as current news articles based around COVID. The main purpose of the project is to provide accessible information through multiple devices to keep citizens safe in the community through being informed about the current risk of COVID. What languages are used? To run this project, I am hosting a Flask application, which is a web framework for Python, which the project contains HTML, CSS, Python, and it is run on the Ubuntu Linux server. To make sure that the data is received live, I used a web scraping tool called Beautiful Soup, which directly imports the data into the HTML files. Because this Flask application is run on a server, it can be found on any browser simply by typing the correct IP address. In addition to this, I made a Swift application specific for Apple devices to connect directly to the Ubuntu server. The reason why this project is so effective is because any device with an internet connection can get access to the necessary information within the COVID-19 Information Provider, whether that is through the Swift application or simply connecting directly to the browser. What is the benefit? No matter who you are or what type of internet you have, the multi-platform COVID-19 Information Provider makes sure you have access to all the necessary information so you can be safe and healthy. The COVID-19 Information Provider could end up saving someone's life because it can tell users when the cases are spiking or actions to take to prevent the virus from spreading. So right now on screen I have the desktop version of this displayed where you're in a browser, as you can see, going through the different pages, and once you click on the news article it brings you directly to that news page, and they will all be based around COVID. This is the Swift application. As you can see, the user interface is very similar to the desktop application, and all the data is still displayed directly on the Flask app. And thank you for watching.